What up, y'all? I'm T.O. and this is my wife Amanda, and welcome to our place. What's good? How you doing? How you living? How you feeling? I'm feeling pretty good. We got a Japan crate that we're gonna get into for the second time. Ready?
This is March's crate.
March? We're a little late. They're a little late. It came a little late. What do you expect? It's coming from Japan. Not right now.
No, it's April's crate.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
April's crate. We have the booklet letting us know what's in the box, because as you know, we cannot read Japanese. It comes with a drink.
But it says it in English.
Sparkling. It's probably some sparkling water. We ain't a fan of that. You wanna go put that in the fridge? We'll try it at the end if we remember.
Sparkling Kishi, no.
Yeet! Alright, first we got this.
Mike Popcorn. Kishu plum flavor.
You said plum?
Mm-hmm.
They use a lot of plum in there. It's got like a sour beginning, nasty tea aftertaste.
Cool pineapple chewing gum. Are we saving this?
I guess we could just try it and spit it out. So get your face out of there. Yeah, there we go. Get your face out of there. It's not bad. We're not gonna eat this, right? What's next?
Peach mints.
The last mints weren't that good though. Yeah, these aren't. These look like the same. I love me some peaches.
Chocolate strawberry. No.
I'm guessing it's just like another M&M, just like last time. The number candy or whatever it was.
Sound like sixlets.
I just want. All right.
Can't tell what they remind me of.
It landed in my pocket. Heck yeah. Get that out there. Save it for later, you know? It's not chocolate. Well, it says chocolate, but maybe white chocolate?
Mini pack of mints.
No, we tried these I tried them last time and they're garbage. This is what those strawberry.
Chocolate milk.
Get your face out of there.
Sphere pops.
What? Where are we at?
Fried potato.
Those were part of the original, or the mini pack. You can buy the mini, the original, and the premium. We got the premium. We got the big boy.
I don't know the name of that. Nori and salt fried potato.
Come on. No? Oh, let me taste like potato chips.
I don't like that taste. And I like chips.
I think they're pretty good.
Cherry blossom pocket mints.
What is that? I'll tell you what it looks like. Looks like drugs. Those are pretty good. Not really minty.
I mean, at the end, there's a little bit of...
Where's the mint?
At the end, there's a little bit of...
I don't taste no mint.
Gummy ring.
Gummy ring? Yeet.
Weird.
Yeah.
I don't know what that first taste was. Grape and muscat.
I'm just getting a bunch of grape.
I was right.
What?
They're mini cherry mochis.
They look like mini Scentsy cubes. I don't like the consistency because of how small they are.
Gummy fries. Cum burger.
Excuse me? Careful. They said it. Tastes like a laundromat.
Were you licking the floor laundromats or something?
You know how a laundromat smells? As I eat another
They're
one.
They're gum.
Are they? Is it? You sure?
No.
It's not gum. It's not.
It feels like gum in my mouth.
I don't think it's gum. Is it going away? Maybe it is gum. I swallowed a little bit. This is next, right?
Mm-hmm. Chocolate matcha.
I don't. It's the green that I don't.
Matcha's green.
We're sharing this stick. Oh.
Nope.
Is it tea? Is matcha tea? Because, like, that's what I'm tasting. Is this more gum?
It's a chocolate bar.
Just
Refresh
one?
Coke.
What?
Refresh Coke. It's made by coating chocolate with crackling candy with
Ooh,
cold
crackles.
flavored chocolate.
Get you some crack.
Smells like Coke. Coca-Cola.
Oh, that's powerful. Oh, they don't taste that good though.
The slightly salty taste of the salted cherry blossom leaf powder contained in the Sakura mochi chocolate enhances the flavors for a unique taste we've never before experienced.
We'll see about that. The battery freaking died in the middle of that because I wasn't paying attention to the battery levels. What was this?
Sakura mochi.
This was good. It tastes like, kind of reminds me of a peanut butter jelly.
It was just after biting into it that was weird at first.
Yeah, you wasn't expecting the gummy in the middle. I think this
So
is
it's
good.
like marshmallow.
Oh.
Like that's what it tastes. That's what it tasted like.
It's the packaging and. What is that?
Melon soda.
Melons. I like melon.
Fish-shaped dessert.
Ooh, dessert. Give me some dessert. Yeah. You gonna bite the butt? See me, I like some head. Nope, inappropriate. I don't like that sourness. You didn't get no sour?
Wasn't sour to me.
Let me try it again. Kind of reminds me of Trix. Like the aftertaste. Well, that was good.
Next is their roll candy strawberry. It's like fruit roll up.
Fruit roll up. Why do I always repeat everything as if I'm surprised about it? This is not like our fruit roll-ups. Oh, this is sticky. Gosh. That's better than ours. That's good. Your stomach hurting yet? Mine is. What else we got?
That gum, chewing gum.
Got this little gum. We don't need that.
Kit Kat and the drink.
Kit Kat. What flavor? Umi Plum.
That must be their flavor right now. There's a medicine.
Worst Kit Kat ever. Alright.
Tastes like nasty red cough syrup.
Yeah, we don't mess with that. Is it?
Oh, that Umi Plum's good.
Yeah, I like that. That was the Japan crate this time around for March, April?
April's.
April. It was okay. A lot of gum, a lot of mints. Nothing too crazy. No fish this time, so that's good. Heck yeah. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you want to see more of her, let me know in the comments. Until next time, be kind, stay safe, and you'll see me in the next one. Deuce. She gotta get in there like that. And they gotta twist it on there like that. See what I'm talking about?